Hi, my name's Rochelle, and I'm glad you're here.
Why's it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands.
So for today's video, I'm going to be straightening my hair, and I do feel like I say this way more than I should, but this is not a tutorial. This is just my personal process. I do not know anything, so I'm also learning, and if you guys have any tips, I would love to hear them. But yeah, so originally I was going to take you guys in the shower with me, obviously fully clothed, but I don't feel like it. So I'll just show you the products I'm going to be using in the shower when I wash my hair to prep it for this. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I'm also using the Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment instead of conditioner for today. And obviously all my products out of the shower will be there for. So yeah, but mostly I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner. This is moisturizer, and I already have everything set up on the floor. That's my station over there. Don't mind my floor being a mess, but I don't know why, but I like to straighten my hair on the floor. So we're probably gonna be, okay, not like that. I'll find a better angle. So I'll go through a light idea of what's going on over here. So obviously I have, I'm using the Cantu heat protectant. I really liked it last time, so there's that. This is just for frizz styling cream. I have these two brushes, pretty basic. I have this brush, which I think is really helpful, and you'll see why in a little bit. And then obviously I have a straightener. This is a really good straightener. He eats up so fast. I literally love it. And then I also have a straightening brush, which, let's be honest, this is not gonna straighten my natural hair. This is not gonna straighten this out. So I kind of use this in the blowing out process. I go over it first with this, then double check it with this. And then obviously the most important part is I'm gonna have my laptop playing Julie and the Phantoms. I'm gonna get in the shower, wash my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, hi guys, fresh out of the shower, hair's dripping everywhere. I hope this is a little bit better than the angle before. I have my laptop up. Turns out I'm gonna be watching Anne with an E because I'm almost done with season 3, so I might as well finish it. I think it's good to get started. So I'm gonna separate my hair. And then I like working bottom to the top, so I'm gonna part a section down here with my fingers. I look really good right now. This is my hair. So I'm gonna put my moisturizer into my hair first of all, because I'm about to dry it out, so I should like try to stop it at least. So I'll show you what I was talking about previously, this brush. So this kind of looks like a straightener. So that's exactly what it does to my hair. So this is what I personally really like to use when blowing out, and even sometimes while straightening my hair. If I'm not doing, it's easier to do the chase method with this sometimes. I also, it's hiding over there, will definitely need to make sure I have heat protectant on. So let me spray that on. Honestly, this heat protectant smells really good.
Got too overwhelming, so I started running. It stopped being fun.
Yeah, the ends are really hard to get, but that was like a 1 minute-ish pass. It's a little bit of a mess, to be honest. I'm gonna spritz just a little bit on, and I'm gonna take the brush and try to get the ends a bit better.
And making myself numb isn't helping. I got to learn to deal with the way I feel. If this is reality, don't know what I expected.
Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. For blowout, it's okay. I am going to time lapse the rest. That took me maybe 3 minutes, so doing all of this is gonna take a while.
Just for a moment, I can't put this down. Things are getting crazy, lately I'm in hazy. Oh, and I've been praying someone will come and save me. The birds are flying south, I'm frozen in my doubt. Got nowhere to go from here, so I'll stick around. Just for a moment, I can't put this down. Baby, just for a moment, drown these voices out. Slow burn, mind is a world away, and I'm not gonna come I don't wanna come down and be by myself. Slow burn, stay here and watch the flame. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage.
And there we go. Ah! And let's smooth it up with this. Oh, it turned itself off. It does that when it's been on for too long. For me, it's been an hour, but I hope for you it's only been like 5 minutes. This is the blowout for now. My legs hurt so bad. So this is my hair. I think it's a blowout. I don't know what else you want me to say. I will not be showing you guys the other side because it's inherently boring, and I'm gonna get a snack now. However, I will tell you how long the first side took me. Yeah, so I started the first demo for you guys at 10:33 and it is currently 11:43. So I will say that that took about an hour, and then the left side will take an hour, and then doing the whole head, the straightener, should take about an hour. So there's my 3 hours. But I will be going to take a snack and get I want food. That's all. I want food. Hi guys, as you can see, my hair is done with the blowout portion. It's a little frizzy, a little wavy at the top. You can obviously tell that this side I tried and this side I gave up on halfway through. However, the straightening process should fix everything all up. Hold on, let me turn this off before it sets my house on fire. Alrighty, I just plugged it in. Okay, so I will be turning it on, and then I'm gonna put the mode on coarse hair, which is 425, and let's see how long it takes. So far it's been 2 seconds. Anyway, I'm going to be doing the same thing as before, sectioning it into much smaller sections and try to do no more than 2 or 3 passes. So with each section, I'm probably going to add an extra spritz and the tiniest amount of this to it, and then I will do that. I will be doing the chase method. I don't think I'm going to use this just because it's kind of hard to hold this and this with the other hand, so I will just be using a rat tail comb. I'll show it to you in a second. It's in the other room. Should be fully heated up soon because it's definitely already hot. Oh, fully heated up. See how quick that was? That was under a minute. All right, then we're gonna do a super small section. Let's just do a little spritz of this heat protectant in my hands and work it in, and then we put this in. Line it up at the top. 1, 2, 3, and down. Nice and easily. The smoke is the heat protectant burning instead of my hair, by the way, because my hair would just burn off. Now I'm gonna do it again from the back so I can actually get the whole thing without trying to show you guys. And there we go. Some super straight hair for me to have. Enjoy the time lapse.
Maybe that was clever, now I'm feeling better. Even though I know that this feeling won't last forever, I tapped into a space, I found my escape that I can come back to anytime I want. Just for a moment.
This filmed like a month and a half ago, but I can still feel the pain in my arms from watching you do, like, you do this and you're like ripping your hair and you're doing this, like, your arms hurt. They're dead. They're on the floor. Like, where's my upper body strength from that? And guys, I'm done with this side. And then let's compare it to this mess. Obviously now this has indents from me doing my hair, but this is what we have. And this side. Yeah, it's only 1:34 as of right now, so that's why I said it normally takes me 3 hours. I'm going to put this side here in a low pony in hopes of not indenting it too much. Y'all remember what my hair looked like when I started? and now it looks like this. So yay! So I will be back once I finish the left side of my hair. I am back! Hi guys! As you can tell, my hair is straightened, which is super nice. Oh my gosh, let me turn off you before you melt something. Here we are over at my window. It's a little bit less smoky. Alrighty, welcome to another part of my room. You guys don't often see me from over here anymore. I've kind of moved over to my desk a bit. But this is my hair. I think I need to fix some top stuff here. If you guys can see, that is a bit wavy, but this side looks good. I'm trying to look, see if there's anything else I missed. Everything looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how I did. I'm just gonna fix the top right here. Everything else looks pretty smooth, and I'll show you the back. Okay, I think I fixed up the top a little bit. Maybe not. Why is it looking worse on camera than I did when I looked in the mirror? I don't know. I am officially done with my hair. I didn't really style it. I just kind of straightened it. I really need to work on summer work. Did I mention I have school starting in 2 days? So next week's video, I already know what it's going to be. I'm going to film it tomorrow. I'm going to get my nails done. I'm going to do them myself. Polygel, yeah. Which I'm super excited about that because you guys loved my last polygel video. So I am really excited to make another one. And also I was going to do it anyway. Might as well film it. Anyway, my room is really stuffy, so I'm going to have to be airing it out for a little bit. Luckily, today is not hot outside, so that's pretty nice. I have a lot of cleanup to do and a lot of summer work to do, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye! Yesterday when you guys last saw me, I was upset with how my hair looked. I didn't really say anything about it because I was like, maybe it's just in my head, but I decided to come back and re-straighten it again, and this is it. And can we all agree that this is definitely better than how it was last time? Last time honestly looked like a blowout. It was kind of annoying. I didn't really like how it looked. This side I did not do yet. Let me set you guys down. I don't have the setup I had yesterday. I had to return some of the stuff I was using, but this is what I went out in public with yesterday, and this is what I wanted to have. And I will see you guys in a little bit with my hair actually being done and straightened. Hey guys, it's me, I'm back. I think we can all agree that this is much straighter than it was before. And I really needed to take my time, which I did not even really have. Hold on. I hope that makes for slightly better sound quality. So I think we can all agree this looks a lot better. More like I actually have hair than a bush. That was kind of straight. This is the back. Yeah, like I said, I'm definitely happier with this than I was yesterday when I was like, I'm happy with this. I'm much more happier with the recent results, and I think I can definitely tell that my hair grew since the last time I straightened it. Not that you guys were there for that, but I was there for that. So I'm just gonna enjoy my next week or two with my hair like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, did you hear that pop? My knee just popped.
No matter how our lives will be, I'll tell you, I won't tell you to leave.